So, good evenings to all of you. Now, today's video related to unit number 6, that is the job evaluation and merit rating. Important questions to be asked in your coming exams. Now, related to this unit, very important questions, that is the job evaluations and merit rating difference. So here is almost 7 marks questions will be there. 7 marks will be there for difference between job evaluation and merit rating, and accordingly you can write 7 points. Now, before going to deep into job evaluation and merit rating, so what is the job? Jobs, for example, pattern making is the one as job. Then making a smithy work, this is one jobs. Preparation of the mold, this is one jobs. Now turning of one shaft contain all operations, this is also one jobs. Evaluations means assessment. So what is actually need for assessments? We have to decide the value of the jobs, and with help of this value we can decide the wages system, and it will helpful for production cost estimation purpose. So in industry, job evaluations, that is very important to decide the manufacturing cost of a job. Similarly, merit rating, this is also related to manufacturing cost, but it actually decide the performance of the workers. So why there is need to decide the performance of workers? To decide the wages system, bonus, incentive, increment, or need to provide other facility. For this purpose we require merit rating. In short, job evaluations, that is related to decide the worth of the job, value of jobs, and merit rating, it decide the performance of workers. And with help of this we will going to calculate the manufacturing cost, and if it is correct, then accordingly manufacturing cost will be there. If it is incorrect, then there is a problems in the manufacturing points. Now, difference between job evaluation and merit rating. Number one's under job evaluations. Job evaluations means determine the relative worth of jobs. Relative worth of jobs means value of jobs. In our organizations, it is critical study of the various jobs in order to assess their relative importance. Means pattern making is the job. So many patterns are there. Every pattern, there is no same value. Different pattern, different value is there. So this point is related to job evaluation. Now similar point in the merit rating. Merit rating is evaluation of the personality performance of each employee by his senior. It is critical study of qualities, knowledge, ability, etc. of an employee. It is a type of performance evaluations. Means here merit rating actually decide the performance of workers or employees. So this is the point number 1 for merit rating. So in this point number 1, what is the meaning of job evaluation and what is the meaning of merit rating? Job evaluation simply means decide the worth or value of jobs. Merit rating decide the performance of employees. Now point number second under job evaluation, it is mainly useful for creating a fair and satisfactory wages system or structure. It acts as base of compensation system. What is the use of job evaluation? In this sentence it is given, decide the wages or structure. Similar point under merit rating, it is mainly useful for promotion of employees to their higher post. It act as base of promotions and transfer of employees. Means what is the use for merit rating? In this sentence it is given, promotion, transfer, increment purpose, like this way. Now point number 3 under job evaluation, job evaluation is useful for explaining relative wages rates and for removing doubt among the employees as regards wages and promotions. So as per the work there should be wages. If it is not there, then ecosystem, disappointments, so many problems will occur in the employees. To avoid this, there is a need of job evaluations. Similar third point under the merit rating, merit rating act as a guide to employees for better performance and self-development in futures. It is one guidelines to the workers about the performance and development in the future. So this is point number 3. Now point number 4 under job evaluations, it is concerns with the evaluation of job, not concerns with the employees. Job evaluation, it is only concerns with the jobs, not for employees. And merit rating, it is concerns with the rating or evaluation of employees, not for jobs. Merit rating, it is related to performance of workers or employees, and job evaluation related to jobs. Point number 5 under job evaluation, it is useful for creating satisfied labor force. Means wages structure is as per the work, every worker will get satisfied. Depends upon the evaluations, every workers will get satisfied. Similar point under merit rating, it is useful for manpower development or rising efficiency of the labor force. Means merit rating, this is useful for development of manpowers, rising efficiency of the workers. Now point number 6 under job evaluation, job evaluation is pre to merit rating as it is rates the jobs themselves. Means before merit rating there should be job evaluations and then merit rating. Similar point under merit rating, merit rating is next to job evaluation as it rates employees on these jobs. Means after job evaluations there should be merit rating, and depends upon the job, wages system should be there. Now last point under job evaluation, it determines the wages structure aspectably both to employers and employees. Means if job evaluation is there, it will decide the wages structure, and with help of this structure both, means owner and worker, will get satisfied with this. Now similar point under the merit rating, that is last point, it provides scientific base for determining the fair wages for each individual workers according to his ability and performance. What is the capacity, ability and performance depends upon these wages systems will going to decide. So this is about the job evaluation and merit rating. 7 mark questions will be there. Difference, explain in brief difference between job evaluation and merit rating.